students, class 10, exercise number 4.2, question number 11. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to AD. The bisector of angle BAC and CAD intersect the side BC and CD at the point of E and F respectively. Let's draw the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side enclosed figure, right? Let me draw a quadrilateral, that is four side enclosed figure. So let me take it as this is the quadrilateral ABCD, the four side enclosed figure, and the side AB is equal to the side AD. That is the condition given. And then angle BAC and CAD. So we have the diagonal here, right? So we have the diagonal. Intersect the side BC. The angle of this is intersect with the side BC at E, right? And then CAD, the intersect at the side DE. This is E, this is F. So the angle, see in the triangle, for the triangle of ABC, we have the angle bisector. This is the angle bisector of triangle ABC is E, and then here triangle CAD, we have the angle bisector of E, intersect at E. We want to prove that EF is parallel to BD. The line EF is parallel to BD. We want to prove that the two lines are parallel, right? That is the question. So solution, we want to prove that EF is parallel to BC. Let me take this as a triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. Let's draw here roughly. This is the triangle ABC, and AE is the angle bisector. ABC, AE is the angle bisector. So in triangle ABC, AE is a bisector of angle A, bisector of angle A. Here we have the angle bisector theorem by ABT, angle bisector theorem. We can able to write the formula AB divided by AC is equal to, this side only we have started, right? So BE divided by AC, BE divided by AC. So AB divided by AC is equal to BE divided by AC. I take the equation number 1. And next one, in triangle, the above triangle, the triangle is, this is the triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, see, this is A, this is D, this is C, and AF is the angle bisector. AF is the angle bisector, right? So AF is bisector of angle A by basic proportionality theorem or angle bisector theorem. Here we have using angle bisector theorem. ABT, AD divided by AC, AD divided by AC is equal to DF divided by FC, DF divided by FC, divided by AC is equal to DF divided by FC, and then condition AB is equal to AD, right? That is given condition. The given condition is the side AD is equal to AB, right? That is the given condition. So here I am going to replace that AD is equal to AB. In the place of AD is going to replace AB divided by AC is equal to DF divided by FC by the given condition AB is equal to AD, right? Let me take it as equation number 2. Now see the first and second equation, AB divided by AC is equal to BE divided by EC. Here also we have AB divided by AC. So here LHS sides both the first and second equations are equal. So we can take it as BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC, right? From equation number 1 and 2, BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC. From first and second equation, in the place of AB divided by AC, we have replaced the value BE divided by EC. Now, the condition BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC means, now see the diagram, the condition BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC, right? So, BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC means, just see the triangle, this is the triangle CDB and EF, right? For this triangle, this side divided by this side is equal to this side divided by this side means, hence EF is parallel to DB, right? Then only we can say BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC, right? When we say these two are equal, by the condition EF is parallel to DB, then only we can say the term equal, right? So, in triangle BCD, by this condition we can say that EF is parallel to BD or BD is parallel to EF by converse of basic proportionality theorem, So clearly BE divided by EC is equal to DF divided by FC means, by this triangle BCD, EF is parallel to BD, then only we can write the formula, right? So hence we have proved. Thank you, students.